On this Make It Once video, sitting in my Volvo doing some arts and crafts. Piece wasn't quite the right size, so I had to recut it. But if you haven't figured out what I'm doing yet, I'm patching the muffler. Obviously, aluminum is not going to hold up to all that intense heat. I bought this stuff before I realized how big the hole was, so it seems like it's nuts. So the consistency of this stuff is kind of like Elmer's glue, actually. It seems water-based. Maybe like some kind of clay. Really tell if the camera's picking this up or not. This stuff is really gooey. Okay, let's let that dry and see what happens. Resist temperatures up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Shock resistant. Waterproof non-shrinking formula. Remove cap. Puncture seal. Apply sealer 1/2 inch thickness around outside of pipe. Allow dry 30 minutes. Then run engine for 10 minutes. Huh. So I'm going to use a heat gun. Okay, I've used the heat gun for, 5 to 10 minutes or so. Let's turn the engine on. Get some hot gases flowing through it and see if my beer can exhaust patch holds up. So if you've noticed that I never am pulling the hood cable, is because the latch here doesn't actually pop the hood. I think either the spring, some set of the springs is not actually releasing very well. So I just kind of leave it half open, and that's why this little cone disc is always there. if the camera can pick it up, but there's definitely some black smoke coming out. That's a lot of smoke coming out. Okay, that does not smell good. You can see the smoke everywhere. So I started it up again. The smoke seems to be clearing up. The exhaust feels moist, like it's blowing off some steam. The patch seems to be holding. A lot of the shake has gone away. So I don't know what that was just a moment ago. Literally just 5 minutes ago that the whole engine was smoking. Black smoke. Most of the noise is coming from the water pump, it seems like, the fan belt train. There's a smell of there is an exhaust smell like burning stuff. It doesn't smell like gas though. So maybe while it was cold, had some issues, but once I let it settle in, a lot of that smoke that was there a moment ago is gone. So still some troubleshooting, but I think the exhaust patch has been solved. It's a little bit quieter now, so I can move on to the water pump.
Hey, how you doing today?
Pretty good.